Hi guys, do you see those that look like microphone? Those are sensors that are used in vaping cigarettes. I don't smoke, but I collect everything electronic and electrical stuff. So this is how it look like. It have this LED from behind. Even it looks like a microphone. So this is what was inside. I open it for you. It have this LED outside, also this chip inside, and that capacitor. Let me focus it. Just a second. So guys, this is the chip, as you can see here. Let me just a second. So this is the chip, SG803A, and it says oil. Well guys, it have also this here, this membrane, this metallic ring that is covered with a dielectric, as you can see here. It can be a silver plated ring. Well guys, this is plastic inside, as you can see. Well, have a nice day guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Invite a friend to watch my videos. Bye guys, stay safe and always do experiments.